And that wouldn't have been necessary if you'd simply played by the rules. But you don't like rules, do you? You want me to show mercy? You hasn't taken even a single step toward confessing. You who's responsible not for one death, but for 3. Your life of reckless deceit started in high school and only grew worse. You lied to the authorities multiple times, Ryan, pinning the blame solely on the driver, your deceased best friend. You know what you did to his family? And you've only gotten worse over the years. I fucking did it. I did it, but so long ago. I want to live. I want to live. As do I, Ryan. As do we all. But things happen. Were it not for a careless mistake by a resident at the hospital I was in, my cancer could have been diagnosed a lot sooner. It was simply the wrong name on an X-ray. Would have saved me a whole lot of hardship. And you, Anna.
John, you know me. Please don't do this to me.
We were neighbors, Anna and I. My first chemo sessions were very difficult, to say the least. Anna and her husband, Matthew, were so kind, so supportive. I thank you for that.
Why are you doing this to me?
Those were better days for you, weren't they, huh? But your poor husband, Matthew, I know the two of you didn't always get along. But to have to endure that tragedy, the death of a child, that's one of life's greatest burdens, isn't it? If only he hadn't fallen asleep that night, then he wouldn't have rolled over and suffocated your baby. That is what happened, right, Anna? I mean, it's horrible, how horrible to have to live with such a thing. It could make a person go mad, couldn't it? What are you gonna do to us? Me? I'm not gonna do anything. You have to simply assume responsibility. For who you are.
What's it about?
How do you know this is it?
That's a pig farm.